Okay, so now let's take a look at this page, and this is how this one's gonna work. So we're gonna put vowel team words on one side of the page and non-team words on the other. So as I call the words out to you, think about how they're spelled, and let's see if you can, in your mind, think about which one it needs to be in. But I'm also going to give you a separate sheet of paper so that you can go through and write the words down on a separate sheet if you need to do that before you put them in categories, okay? You're going to use a pencil or pen? Pen's good? Okay. So the first one is commission. Commission. So once you write it down, see which word, which side of it. Good. The next one is joyful. Joyful. Existence. Existence. Okay. The next word is, okay, the next word is destination. Destination. Okay. Illustrate. Illustrate. The next word is achieve. Achieve. Appearance. Appearance. Okay, good. Okay, insignificant. It's a longer one. Insignificant. Okay, generation. Generation. Okay, the next word is mercy. Mercy. And the last one is chapter. Chapter. Okay, so you did really well. You got the words put in the right categories from the beginning, so that's good. Now let's see if you can mark the vowel teams in those words on that left-hand side. Good, okay. Now in this side, there's a word that is that has a prefix on, a suffix on the end of it. Which word out of that group has a suffix on the end? It almost looks like a compound word. Good. Joyful has a suffix on the end. So joy by itself would be a noun. Joyful, when we add that suffix, makes it an adjective. So it changes it, and you would use that to describe someone. Okay, very good. All right, let me just take a look and see if there's anything here. The only thing here on illustrate, I-L-L-U, before you get into the rest of it, illustrate. Okay, very good. All right. So the last thing I want you to do is try to write down as many vowel teams as you can think of, as many vowel pairs that could be put together to make it to be put into any kind of words. So you can look back at some of these that you circled and underlined on your vocabulary words. So think of how many, and there are some on this side as well. Try to think of some vowel teams, and I would start with, let's do it this way. I'm A's, the E's, I, O, and U. Okay, how many ways can you add a letter to A? What letters could you add to A to make it a vowel team that you could use in something?